Did you know that 89% of farm workers are more likely to choose a job in a location with accessible childcare services? Additionally, 98% of all farm workers with children report having missed work in the last 6 months due to childcare issues. When the family needs of agricultural workers are met, everyone benefits. Many times, children don't have a safe place to be when their parents are working in agriculture. This is especially true for migrant and seasonal workers. Working parents desire a safe and trustworthy place for their children to be nurtured so that they can stay focused on work, knowing their children are okay. Employers and frontline supervisors strive to keep children out of work sites, and they hope their workers who have children can access affordable, quality childcare services. The stakeholders here include children, their parents who are working in agriculture, work supervisors, employers, and agribusiness corporations, as well as the local community affected by the social and economic implications of an agricultural and often seasonal workforce. So let me tell you about a new resource that can help establish childcare services for migrant and seasonal farm workers within your community. The roadmap for delivering childcare in agricultural communities was developed to help ensure that children of workers are kept safely away from dangers on the farm. Drawing input from agricultural business owners, human resources directors, insurance providers, Head Start childcare specialists, and farm worker parents, this workbook reviews the steps to establish accessible childcare. By identifying challenges and overcoming barriers for farm workers, this resource guides stakeholders to implement the services needed to cultivate their growing community. The roadmap walks the reader through each step on the road to accessible childcare. It breaks down the process of conducting a needs assessment, building a team of stakeholders, identifying funding sources, and implementing and marketing childcare services to those in the community. It also features model programs to act as guides for implementing new services. It includes suggested resources and links to organizations. Together, childcare providers, growers, and farm worker parents can collaborate to improve access to childcare services. Invest in your workers, keep their children safe. This resource was developed by the National Children's Center for Rural and Agricultural Health and Safety in collaboration with the Migrant Clinicians Network. The production of this resource was made possible by funding from the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. The roadmap can be found online at cultivatesafety.org,